Hello, and welcome to Part 2 in our series on Green Beacon's Retail Supplier Solution. In Part 1, we discussed technology trends that are affecting the channel strategy for the consumer packaged good industry. Today, in Part 2, we will get into more detail on channel planning utilizing Green Beacon's program management functionality. Let's take a look at how we've set up our channel configuration using our Retail Supplier Solution module. It starts with planning the season. Here we can see how we've set up our programs by channel. Within the big box channel, for Walmart, there's a program for each season. Each season can have a start date and end date, and I can have an unlimited number of seasons depending on what makes sense for the assortment life cycle. For Walmart, I've set up my 4 seasons, and we're using the customer's retail calendar, which is weekly. For collaboration and execution purposes, the week numbers match the customers. The seasons are sequential, and I can go as far into the future as needed to fit our planning horizon. Scrolling through the seasons, we can highlight the start week and length. When point of sale data is not supplied, like in the case of my boutiques, sell-in data is used instead. When a season has expired, it is analyzed and replanned for next year. This is accomplished by copying the expired program and adding it to the end of the channel project. I'll rename the copy of the season and drag and drop it into the new program to its correct location, and then bring the expired program now down to the archives for future reference, analysis, and reporting. The Retail Supplier Solution planning and execution models are flexible because each channel has unique needs. For example, the big box retail model is different from the Amazon model, which is different from the mom and pop shop model. Each channel program will have its own scope. The scope is defined as time, assortments, planograms, and destinations. Channels may have unique costs and usually different pricing strategy. This is managed from the costing workbench. Program scope can also include promotions, deals, and events. Promotional lift can be added to the plan. Forecast management provides collaboration with forecast types, versions, and approval workflow. Forecast types and versions are then merged into the master forecast for a single version of the truth, which is used for master planning and budgeting. Forecasts are then converted into a normalized shipment plan for manufacturing and procurement planning. The shipment plan is published to Dynamics AX Master Planning. A normalized shipment plan, which represents invoice dates, can also be published to the financial budget. Seasons can have life cycles like rollouts, replenishment, and closeout. Program scope and forecasts can be revisited periodically during the season to reflect the most current consumer trends. The in-season reforecast can then go update master planning. A compliance framework is also provided for customers who have unique compliance requirements. For example, products sold to children may have unique testing, sampling, and sourcing restrictions. The most effective planning systems provide data visualization and industry-specific business intelligence, which we'll discuss further in Part 3. Channel program management is more than just forecasting. Suppliers need to be able to plan and execute various types of vendor-managed programs, which include CPFR, or Collaborative Planning, Forecasting, and Replenishment, SBT, or scan-based technologies, as well as consignment. These vendor-managed programs need automation. Green Beacon's Retail Supplier Solution provides this in 3 specific areas: forecast automation, communication through workflow and EDI integration, and finally, through execution. I hope you've enjoyed Part 2 in our series on Green Beacon's Retail Supplier Solution. Please check back for Part 3, where we discuss the forecast and planning aspects of this solution. For more information, please visit us at www.retailsuppliersolutions.com. Thank you.